Okay, so for my cable testing project, I've got my circuit set up with the current flowing from the negative terminal of the 9-volt through this green cord to my green LED, through the red cord to my resistor, which I've calculated out to be 450 ohms of resistance. You can see the color code there. See if we can get it to focus. There it is. It's yellow, purple, red, and gold. Then back through this white cord to the positive terminal of the 9-volt. So we'll connect it and see if it works. See my LED over there. Gotta connect the resistor. And it lights up. Beautiful. Now we have this guitar cord over here, the tip and sleeve guitar cord, which I'm going to hook up right next to my LED here, coming from the positive side of the LED through this white cord to the tip of the guitar cord. Then I've got the sleeve of the guitar cord connected with this black cord to the tip of the other cord. Then I'm going to take the red cord that's connected to my resistor and connect it to the sleeve of the guitar cord. And then my LED should light up. Connect the white cord that's connected to the tip of the guitar cord, and by touching the red cord to the sleeve of the other end, the clip is a little small so I can't exactly clip it, so I'm just holding it. It lights up beautifully. Alright, thanks for watching.